Hello Shopify merchants. In this video, we will walk you through setting up the TrustSync app's automated request review email settings to gather user reviews. Let's get started. TrustSync is a helpful Shopify app that creates automated request review emails to gather user reviews on Google, Trustpilot, Etsy, and other sites. To get started, open the app and navigate to the Review Settings option in the left side panel. Click on the Add Review Link button to add the review link to your desired platform. Set the rating that you want auto-published from the drop-down at the top. Next, select your desired review platform from the Review Link drop-down. We have chosen Google Reviews in this example. Let's find out how to collect the Google Reviews link. Go to your business profile on Google. Hit the Write a Review button. Now, copy the URL from the address bar at the top. Get back to TrustSync and add the collected URL in the review link field. That's it. All your collected customer reviews will be added to Google. You can split 5-star reviews for multiple review platforms through TrustSync. To configure that, click on the Add Review Link button. In our example, we also added the review links from Trustpilot. You can see that the request review percentage on both platforms is split in half. If you add a third platform where you want to showcase reviews, you can see that the request review percentage for 3 platforms is automatically split. Update the review request frequency for each review link as you want. But you have to ensure that the total is 100% for all review links. By putting a check mark, you can provide your customers the opportunity to pick where they want to leave a review. Plus, you can deal with negative reviews with TrustSync. Put a check on the custom negative feedback form. Add the URL of a custom negative feedback form in the provided field. Click on the Save Changes button once you are done. This is how easily you can configure request review email settings in the TrustSync app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Good luck with your Shopify journey.